In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Vulcano Pro Racing Side Splitter Winglets. Here behind me, you can see a finished product of what the item is going to look like in the end of the video. So we're going to be taking this winglet and putting it on here, measuring on the top and lining it directly up with the corners. And then we're just going to lay it down after we've got everything lined up to make sure that the holes are going to be in the right spot, just like that. So once you have everything lined up to the right spot, then we can go ahead and drill the holes. Now that the holes are drilled, we're going to go ahead and install the hardware. So this is what the winglet is going to look like once all of the hardware is installed. Now we're going to put the winglet onto the splitter. Make sure I put it on right. So this is what the finished product is gonna look like. It was very easy, it took me about 10 minutes, so I'm pretty sure anyone with minimal experience in tools can do this, and I think it looks pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you want the latest deals and discounts, head over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.